how to see all answers in Google Forms. The first thing you want to do is access any preferred web browser you want and then just head out to docs.google.com/forms. Now once you're here, make sure that you have your own specific questionnaire or a certain survey. So once you already pulled up that specific survey or questionnaire, all you have to do to get that answer is just right click on any of the empty space from your form and go to view page source. Now once you're here, just simply press Control F and then paste your current question. So what color is an apple? So if you have set up your questionnaire or any um, questions that you have entered on your Google Forms, your answer or beside your question is going to be the value of your answer. So since I haven't set up my answer yet, so this is what is showing on my end. But if you already set up an answer, then it's going to be the value under null that's going to be showing here. So that's how you view all answers in Google Forms.